Sophia is on the ground already. She's still looking up. There.
Again.
Oh, where is it?
There it goes.
Oh, there you go. Go get it, baby. No something in there. I'll give it to daddy. There. Give it to daddy.
I'm afraid of.
Hey, you cannot give it to daddy. Oh, swiper. Oh, what's happening in there?
Hopefully they don't start growing.
Huh? Why? It's not
It's
allowed.
not spring yet.
It's not spring yet.
No, I don't want the buds to start growing yet.
But you cannot stop them if they're gonna grow.
I think they're big enough to get flowers, but I don't know. See, these were already starting to grow. This one. See how these were growing when it got warm? They were already growing.
Oh yeah, buds already. Hello, Dion. Hi, Dion. Oh no, it's gonna go far. Oh, turn it around. There you go. Good job.
Oh,
Oh no. Go, Dion.
wait.
Oh, it's gonna come back in the house.
I don't want to go house.
Ah, that's cool. You know, huh? That's nice. Ah. It's coming back. Uh-oh. No more battery.
Y'all did this.
You're playing? You're gonna go play with your RC car? Is that RC car? RC car.
Ang bahala. Or hindi mo lang talaga siya ganun.
Yeah, there's a nice clearing right here.
Dion, school bus. Dion, the school bus. Brother Dion. Oh, there's Mike. Hi, Michael. Hi, Joe. Again. Because. Thank you.
We're not going to put our clothes on, Mama.
Why?
Because it's nice out. Because all the one friend,
One friend?
take his coat off.
Oh, yeah.
Allie take his coat off.
Alright.
This one, I want to take the coat off.
Give me your backpack.
Here we go.
Okay.
What do you, Mama? Nina doesn't have a jacket.
Oh, look at that. I'm gonna run.
They're doing a race. They're doing a race, Mama.
Yeah, they are.
And the babies too. They're the babies.
Oh!
And one
falling.
fell.
Yeah. That's wow. How was your school?
Good. Mama, I
Just
just,
out or no?
Mama, I'm full
You're full.
because I eat a lot of lunch.
Wow.
But
Did you eat the rice and the eggs and the apple? Wow, that's nice.
And I'm gonna have an ice cream because I'm so full.
Oh my gosh, ice cream.
I was in here. I was by over here when I'm sleeping. I was by over here.
Baby sister.